Hey everybody, this is Pastor Mike. If you haven't heard, my wife and I are planning a church in St. Louis, Soulard. Today we want to talk to you about 3 things that you can do to get involved. You'll be able to serve, you'll be able to give, or you're going to be able to join our launch team. I want to take you through. My wife and I are going to tell you what's going on and how you guys can get involved. So follow me in. Here's the deal. This is the pastor's office. We are going to be completely remodeling this. We're going to do ceiling, walls, trim, and the carpet. So anybody that wants to get involved, if you have a skill, carpentry, drywall, plaster, things like that, flooring. If you really want to get involved in doing that, we are going to need you to definitely scan the QR code or click on the link in the description when it comes to serving and renovation. For those of you that are just good at cleanup and organizing, that is another thing. We're going to be trying to get some of this stuff out of here and throwing some of these things away, reorganizing. We're even trying to sell some of these things. So this is a great opportunity for you to get involved in. Come on, let's go. Okay, so right here at the entryway, we're going to be literally painting this, refinishing all of this trim, all these different things. Painters, I'm talking real painters, not, hey man, I like to paint. No, I'm talking real painters, sorry. Those that know remodeling, those that know refinishing, things like that, doors, trim. We're gonna need your help. Come on in, we're gonna go in the sanctuary. Okay, so here's the big one, folks. Here's the thing about this. All these pews, we're getting rid of all of these pews. We're in the process of selling all these pews. Why? People are always like, man, keep the pews, keep the pews. The thing is, we cannot keep these pews because we are strong on discipleship, okay? And our discipleship plan is round tables. Once a week discipleship here, okay? We're huge on discipleship. So we're gonna have round tables and we're gonna need to be able to control the room. And we're also going to be doing new carpet. We're gonna be getting new carpet for those that, like I said, wanna help with renovation, okay? If you wanna follow me more. Here's another thing, once we get to the stage here, we're going to completely do a new stage, that kind of thing, getting projectors, lighting and stuff like that. We're going to kind of refinish that wall. If you turn around and look behind you here, up there, if you see what I'm talking about up there, there is a huge organ. We're going to be selling that organ. We're going to get rid of it and we're going to put office space up there. Yeah, follow me. Okay, this is the room right behind the sanctuary. So we're going to be redoing the floors, okay? Trying to refinish the floors, because like I said, anybody that can help with renovation, anybody that can help with cleanup, we're definitely gonna need that. We're gonna be wanting to paint the ceilings and the walls and the trims in this room. If you wanna follow me in here, the same thing in here. We're going to be refinishing the floors in here. Okay, ceiling, walls, trim. We're going to be spraying the ceiling. Those that, like I said, that know how to paint, that know how to refinish, things like that, will definitely need your help in this room. This is going to be a multi-purpose meeting room. We're going to be meeting back here with probably some of the youth, some of the kids. It's also going to be a media room for things like that. And then it's also going to be the entryway for our community outreach and Revive My People, which I'm going to go into detail with that very soon. So if you want to follow me out. Okay, so here's the deal. We're outside on the side of the building. Okay, there's actually 2 addresses here at the Rock Church Soulard. There's 2420 South 12th Street, and then there's also 1115 Victor. So 1115 Victor is where we're going to house our nonprofit organization. It's going to be our community outreach organization that's literally going to help the church. Okay, this is where we're going to help feed the homeless, help people get into jobs, community assistance, and programs, get off of drugs, rehabilitation, all of those different things. This is where we're going to house our mentor program for our day-to-day and helping people and community outreach. So they'll literally be able to come through these doors and go upstairs. Now I want to bring you upstairs so you can see what I'm talking about. You guys want to come up? Man, it's nice and hot up here, truly. Okay, here's the deal. If you want to come through here, maybe a little dark because we don't have a light, so maybe a little dark. But here's the deal. This is going to be a kitchen area. We're wanting to refinish this, have a full kitchen up here for our mentor workers. They're going to be here working day to day, things like that. They're going to need a kitchen to where they can eat and things like that, okay? So we're going to refinish the bathroom back here. have a laundry room here to where the clothing donations that come in, we're going to be able to wash them and make sure that they're ready for the homeless and those in need. We're going to refinish the bathroom here. That's something that we're going to do, refinish this bathroom and make sure things are taken care of. We're not done yet, come on. So as you can see, this is where our clothing room, our old clothing room used to be, that used to be here. A lot of this stuff may have to go. It's not all good, so we need a lot of reorganizing and things like that in this room as well. A lot of cleanup. We're wanting to renovate and restore the ceiling, walls, trim, doors, everything in these rooms. So all 3 of these rooms are going to be done. You can get involved. Hey, there's one more floor, guys. Follow me upstairs. Hey, this is the last floor. As you can see, we're going to need a lot of help up here too. If you want to follow me here, we're going to be totally renovating the bathroom. We're going to try to sell the bathtub, that kind of thing. We're going to try to sell these old sinks. These tubs are literally from the 1800s, folks. It's so old. We're going to try to sell this stuff. That right there, folks, is the 2nd and 3rd floor of the church, which will be used for our community outreach ministry, Revive My People. Anything that you can do to serve and to help, please get involved. You can scan the QR code right here, or you can click on the serve link in the description. Hey, if you want to give, you can scan the QR code right here, or click on the link in the description. You'll be able to give there as well. We're going to go downstairs. My wife is going to tell you more about the kitchen and downstairs and things that need help.
Hey everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Elisabeth. I'm Pastor Mike's wife, and we are here in the kitchen today. I want to apologize. I've been working today. Our team has been working. It's hot, sweaty. We've been cleaning, you know, all that good stuff. But this is the kitchen in Soulard. This kitchen for years has cooked thousands upon thousands of meals for people. So many meals here. Church congregation, homeless, community outreach, North City, South City, East St. Louis. Meals were going on before we even got here. And so this kitchen is special. So special. So many people have spent so much time here. So this is the kitchen. We want to finish cleaning it, get it back up and running, right? We want to get a commercial kitchens license so we can keep making meals for people, keep serving the community. So you'll see here, we've started cleaning. There's a lot going on. So many meals full of love have been cooked here. We want to get this kitchen fully functioning again, back up and running. Appliances, supplies, just everything that's needed. Some of the fridges and freezers don't work anymore. We need to get those fixed. So yeah, this is a great space. If you love food, you love making food for people, getting kitchens ready, if you have experience in that, definitely this is a great place to serve. Not just getting things ready, but also when we get up and going for the community, for Revive My People, the church, just everything. Come with me in here. So this is the fellowship hall. So basically all the community events, all the inside church events, just everything. This is where we will be feeding people, this area. We are all about food and fellowship. It brings people together. And so this is the room, any of your support of serving or giving, this is the room. We do need to do some updates in here to make everything what it needs to be. So thank you for taking this building tour with us. If you are gifted with cooking, you love to serve people, you're certified as chef, you know, just different things like that, helping getting a kitchen ready to go. Please let us know if you're interested to serve in any of the other areas Pastor Mike talked about earlier. If you want to sign up to serve with us, please click the link in the comments. You can fill out that form and one of us will be in touch with you about upcoming serve dates for your areas of interest. Also too, like if you just don't have time but you want to give to support these efforts, these restoration efforts from the top to the bottom of this facility, please, I would encourage you to give whatever you can. Say you maybe want to become an ongoing monthly partner as we get things up and running. We truly appreciate your consideration in this effort. Remember, we're impacting Soulard, North City, South City, East St. Louis. Just right here from this church, so many people are going to be blessed both inside and outside the four walls. Hey, God's not done with Soulard.